Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the background of your map screen from white to black. So if you're one of those people that likes to use their device in dark mode, this is a good way to change your map to match those kind of settings. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've obviously have a project in FieldGenius open, and I'm going to click on the plumb bob in the bottom left corner. And in my main menu here, I'm going to select Settings and then Options. And then under my interface option here, I'm going to change my map color from white to black. And when I hit OK, it's going to say the application must be restarted for changes to take effect. So I'm going to click Continue here, and then I'm going to relaunch my application here. And once I have FieldGenius relaunched here, what you're going to see is instead of having a white map screen, I'm going to have this black map screen, which is quite a big contrast to what we had before, which might make it a little bit easier for you to see your points or lines on the map screen. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use MicroSurvey's FieldGenius to change your map screen from white to black to make it either a bit easier on your eyes or a bit easier to see. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.